Hello friends, let's study about 317 voltage regulator. 317 is the most popular voltage regulator because it produces adjustable DC voltage. So let's study about basics of 317 positive adjustable voltage regulator. Here in this diagram LM317 IC is shown. It consists of 3 pins. Pin number 1 is adjustable connection, pin number 2 is for output connection, and pin number 3 is for input connection. You can refer the datasheet of LM317 for more details. The diagram shows the typical connections of 317. It requires mainly two resistors R1 and variable resistor R2. C-in is required if regulator is located and appreciable distance from power supply filter. CO is actually not needed for stability, but it does improves the transient response at the output side. That's the formula to calculate VO, that is output voltage, which is positive output voltage. VO is equal to 1.25 into bracket 1 plus R2 by R1 plus I adjustable into R2. Using variation in the value of R2, variation in the output voltage is possible. These are the features of 317 positive voltage regulator. It can produce output current in excess of 1.5 ampere. The output voltage is adjustable. 317 is used to generate variable voltage level, DC voltage level from 1.2 volt to 37 volt. It has got internal thermal overload protection, and it also has internal short circuit current limiting protection circuit. So you can generate any voltage ranging from 1.2 volt up to 37 volt from 317 LM317. You can use this variable voltage regulator in many applications like motor controllers, IP phone, high speed data acquisition system, fingerprint and iris biometric sensors, Ethernet switches, ECG machine, and even in desktop PCs. So 317 is the most popular voltage regulator IC. Current boosting circuit is also possible using 317 in regulated power supply. 317 is positive adjustable voltage regulator, whereas on the similar line you also have LM337, which is negative adjustable voltage regulator. You can refer the datasheet of LM337 for its connection. Thank you.